Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing the Pinterest app and granting minimal permissions. This lets the app save drafts and send alerts. Next, sign up with email, Google, or Apple. Pick a clear username so followers find you. Once signed in, select interests and follow about 5 to 10 boards to teach the algorithm what you like. This speeds up relevant recommendations and stops irrelevant pins from dominating your home feed. Now you create a pin. Tap the plus button, upload a vertical image or a short video, then add a concise title, a keyword-rich description, and an optional destination link. Use a 2:3 aspect ratio or 9:16 for best visual fit, and include readable text overlays so viewers understand intent fast. After publishing, place pins into relevant boards and sections, and use targeted keywords to improve searchability. Make sure to save drafts in secret boards when you want to refine ideas before finish by switching to a business account so you can monitor impressions, saves, and close-ups. Check these metrics weekly to understand what resonates. Pin consistently, aim for 5 to 15 pins per week, and balance fresh content with curated repins so the algorithm treats you as active. If pins fail to publish, first clear the app cache and update to the latest version. If that doesn't fix it, reauthorize your login or temporarily disable VPNs. This usually resolves publishing and syncing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.